Step 1. Preparing assembly. Check all the boxes to make sure that you have everything you need. Make sure that this chair is reclined and is away from objects and obstructions for safe assembly. Step 2. Installing the footrest. Place the footrest near the body of the chair and unscrew the footrest screws. Plug in the electrical cord and air hose into their respective socket and nozzle. Lift up the footrest attachment covers. Then carefully lift up the footrest to place the footrest into the footrest attachments. Close the footrest attachment covers and screw the footrest screws in. Remove the Velcro covering from the footrest flap and attach the Velcro to the body of the chair. Step 3. Installing the armrests. Locate the left side air hoses on the body of the chair that will be connected to the left side arm panel. Locate the right side air hoses and electrical plug on the body of the chair that will be connected to the right side arm panel. Remove the rubber plugs located on the inside of the arm panels and set aside for later. The armrest exterior parts should snap into place. Carefully angle one of the arm panels so that the bracket on the body of the chair is angled with the brace on the inside portion of the arm panel. Then proceed to slide it halfway into the mounting bracket. Holding the arm panel in place halfway, reach and connect the air hoses to the nozzles located on the arm panel. Then align the panel with the body of the chair in order to slide the arm panel into the slots. Tighten the screw fully in order to secure the armrest to the chair. Once fully secured in, plug the hole with the rubber plug that was previously removed. Repeat steps for the other arm panel. Step 4. Installing other accessories. The backrest can be secured with zippers along the length of the chair. Then place the additional head cushion at the top of the chair, which is also fastened with zippers. The headrest is secured by sliding the tab in between the open handle at the top. Connect the remote controller pocket to the right armrest by the Velcros. The remote control can be plugged into the right side of the chair near the air hoses and electrical plug. Step 5. Plug and play. The power cable can be plugged into the back of the chair, and the power can be turned on by flipping the power switch on. You can now enjoy your RELAXONCHAIR Yukon 4D massage chair. Please refer to the user manual for instructions on how to operate the massage chair.